got plenty of fucking clams, dude, to finish this off.
I don't want to do it.
Oh my gosh, dude, that's a fucking keeper, bro. Oh!
Big one's
Wait a minute. He might have stayed on.
My biggest, that big one I missed swam up.
Yeah, that's what this one just did. That's why I thought I lost it. It's a fucking good one, man.
They go picking.
It's a fucking keeper, dude, all day. All day if it's one. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, look at that fucking bass, bro. Yes. What did I tell you, bro? It's still fucking nice. What do you mean? There's no doubt about it.
No doubts about it.
No doubt about it, boy.
No doubts about my night.
That's freaking good. Oh yeah, boy. That's a better one. Yes, sir. Man, you could just tell when they pop that bitch good, they're nicer. There's no way this is two, but it is two. It's one. It's one keeper, I think. Yeah. Nice keeper.
Jesse.
Biggest one OD day. That's three.
Oh, I just lost a fucking hog, dude. Josh, I just lost a hog one.
Fuck.
That's fucking cool.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, Brosier. Oh my gosh, dude. This is nuts. Oh my gosh. This is just crazy, Brosier. Oh my gosh, bro. How can he do this to me? They had to get on my bait by now.